First open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Advanced Sharing Center. Select Turn on Network Discovery. Select Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Click on Save Changes. Now restart your computer.
If that didn't work,
Open Start and type Device Manager. Expand your network adapter. Right-click your network adapter and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver. Select Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Press Next. Now restart again and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an apps or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Check Cast to Device functionality.